All right, testing, and we're going to roll. And then we're going to do this one. All right, so let's have a look at this beautiful property. We are looking at a hibiscus model. And this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, almost 2,000 square feet. Brand new driveway put in. Owners have put about $40,000 worth of upgrades in the last couple of years. So here's the Dick Betts team information. Jody is going to be doing this open house today, so let's have a look. So hibiscus with a beautiful preserve view at the back, really nice, no back neighbors. So when you enter the home, you'll see off to the left, there's the split design. So you've got the 2 bedrooms, 1 bedroom at the front of the house with some built-ins. And then we've got the middle bathroom, nicely redone, granite countertops, tile. And then we've got the 2nd bedroom with TV and closet. So nice big bedrooms. That's the 2 with the pocket door here to set off this wing, which is real nice. And then you walk into the dining area and a really nice big kitchen opening up into the dining room and living room. Look at this brand new kitchen countertops and stainless steel appliances. We've got a gas stove, Bosch dishwasher, Samsung fridge, tons of cupboard space. And let's head back this way. We got the laundry and entrance into the garage, and the owners have redone the garage floor, so that's real nice, no staining at all. Get into the master bedroom. Big king-size bed, and we've got the his and hers closets, 1 to the left, 1 to the right. And really nice countertops. Walk-in shower. And let's go look at the living space here. Look at how big this is. We got the dining area, big living room, and then we've got here fully enclosed extra living space. And out the back you've got this no back neighbors, nature everywhere. Nice and quiet. Fantastic spot. Let me get you some particulars here. We've got Jody's listing with LPT Realty and the Dick Betts team. Let me get some information here. As you can see, there's Jody's card for all the information. Reach out to her directly. And this house is listed for $419,000. So you can have all of this home, almost 2,000 square feet, for just over $400,000. Quite a deal. Hope you enjoyed the tour.